Đau tao cái này. Đau mà sao? Sao không mới chết? Áo.
He gets a little excited for girls to come to his classroom, but come with her. So we have bins all over the pasture, so each goat can kind of have their own bin and have a little of their own separation of grain. Jesus, you scared me.
I didn't mean to scare you.
Jackie helping me out. If you look over there, we have goat hay that we just lay out there for the goats, and then I throw fresh hay for them under the pergola over there in the pasture that stays dry. All the goats are very healthy and fat, as you guys can see. Look at Pickles. There she's about to pop. Completely honest, she looks pretty. But yeah, let me get some creamer. Clean up the cream. Oh, I feel like he's gonna get buttered by Zeus. The bunnies play like these buckets that I have set up for the horses. How cute. They're just so adorable. I love them. Hi, babies. You guys like the horse grain? Better than your bunny food? There's one of the bunnies. There's Tilly. Henry's still trying to get out of his stall as always. But we keep this stall door open so the bunnies can come in and out of here since it's cold at night. And they have a lot of hay in here and little shelters. But we just feed them generic bunny food in there that you can get from Tractor Supply. Nothing special. A full scoop for in this stall. We'll spread it out, like do some in here, half in here, and then some over this way. He definitely looks like a wild rabbit. But this is his home. Hi, little hen. All the bunnies though. We have so many at the farm. They're so adorable. Hey, bun. We probably have like 15 bunnies here. And it's very hard to keep the population down. Bunnies like everyone's favorite at the farm. They call them Grammy. And then Tater and PP. I love this bunny. This is like my favorite bunny. Drop feed, and then we saw this. See? Did you make yourself a bed and Spirit and Bouncy? You know how adorable. Your brothers are about to come in here and eat their grain and kick you out of your bed you just made. But it looks so cozy. Look, they're like, yeah, we're about to come in here. Oh my gosh. Here, are you hungry? Oh yeah, you are. Where's your brother Bam? He's coming. Hold on, check it out. Wait a minute. Little Bam's coming. Here he is. Hi, Bammer. Hi, Bam. T, you're about to have to, you know, get out of here and make a new bed. Boys, come on in. Open the gate. Show them how talented you are. Come on. Oh yeah. Who's hungry? Are you? I bet you are. Gets a scoop in there. Wait, let me go grab your brothers. Yummy. Enjoy it. The bunnies are just so cute. I can't get over them. Oh, the pen's over there, which you guys are about to see. Dinner time. Now we are about to be feeding all the chickens. We have a couple roosters, ducks. There's no guineas behind me, but we have a lot of guineas over here as well. So let's go and start feeding. Come on, come on, come on. Hi, babies. Look at the ducks. Everyone over here just happy. Some of the guineas hanging out. So in this chicken pen we have the Polish chickens. And someone's walking on top of the roof. But how cute are they? We're just gonna go ahead. We're just quite odd up there.
I don't know. I think it's the guineas.
Hi, babies. Look, they're already roosted and ready for bed and dinner. Oh, in this pen we have Rhode Island Reds. They're our newest chickens, and they're all babies. Well, they're like juveniles, we'll call them. But I'm gonna go ahead and pour their food in. So in here, guys, I don't know if you can really see because it's dark out. I should have said earlier. Right now, the time change has been jacking up everything. In here we have 4 peacocks. How exciting is this? So I'm gonna drop their feed for them, which is right here. They get a special peacock grain, but we don't know if they're males or females yet, but we are really excited to have them here at the farm. Bye.